This is a claim auction on Facebook. Link in description for actual auction if you are not on Facebook. Please read description before commenting. We offer 2 payment options, cash and Venmo. If you don't have Venmo, it's free and the link is in the description. We offer local pickup and local delivery within 15 miles for a fee. We offer bundling on deliveries and shipped items. We currently deliver in a 15-mile radius of full street storage. Rates are in the description. We also offer discounted USPS rates for shipping in the continental US, up to 89% cheaper than the post office. Shipping and handling costs is added to the cost of the item. Message me with any questions after reading the description. Good luck and happy claiming.